Hello, welcome for the last session of today, the Battle of the Mobiles. Koen asked me and I asked Katja to moderate the battle. And just to make sure that you all know what it's all about, it won't be a very technical battle, I'm sorry for some of you, but you actually have to convince us why your phone is the best from a user's perspective. And we've prepared some questions and some practical actual things to show us. And in the end, you, the attendants, will decide whose phone will win.
Yes, and we have starring Boskabout, Jonas Heren, Emish, Werner Ramakers, and Stennis. Well, Boskabout, I'm going to give the microphone to you. You are going to present the...
Apparently I'm defending BlackBerry. I'll do my best. I recently had to buy a new phone. Why? Because I was stupid enough to drop my previous BlackBerry. It was a Bolt 9000, and upon dropping it, some keys broke down. And yet I chose to buy me another BlackBerry. Why did I do that? Because I believe it's one of the best phones around. The operating system doesn't suck as much as Windows Mobile.
No.
Nor does it suck as much as Symbian. It isn't, it doesn't have a crappy touchscreen which doesn't respond to your input. The keys do work if you behave with them.
I'm sorry that you're stealing the show now.
That's the point. Okay, I'll transfer the microphone to
Okay,
the
thank you. This is the shortest window.
My name is Jonas Helen. I have a Nokia E72 running single. It's a nice phone with a real keyboard like BlackBerry, but it has better software, I think. We have the Obi store from Nokia, which recently became quite popular. You can get a lot of very nice applications like Obi Maps and very cool Twitter client Gravity. Also, the Nokia phones have the best cameras, so that's why I have them.
For more than a year now, I use Android. I have been using the HTC Magic, which was the first Android phone to be available in Belgium, and now I'm using this really awesome, cool phone you probably all know, which is the Nexus One, and which is still not available in Belgium, but well, Google was kind enough to send me one, so for the developer conference. And it's really the best phone there is. And there is one in Belgium that you also should consider, which is the same, which is a Desire running Android. And the X10 is also a good phone, apart from some details.
I'm defending the Apple iPhone. This is my third one, which means that I've been having the different versions. But 60% normally is using an iPhone in the crowd, so I'm not alone.
I have a Windows Mobile. Gorgeous device, really. And I must say, Boskabout is right. It's frustrating to use. It's had a crappy touchscreen. But this is the Uber phone for Uber geeks, really. This phone has more features. I'll say it again. Features. I'll say it even again. Features than any other phone that exists in this world. It's running a custom ROM from XDA developers, a custom Windows Mobile ROM, and it can do anything. It doesn't do many things well, but it can do anything. And for, well, geeks and nerds, and sorry, not nerds, geeks like me, this is really the phone to have.
Thank you. Now, somebody came to Koen and asked, well, he was curious what the rest of you use. So, who's using iPhone? Okay. Who's using Android phone? No. Okay. Windows Mobile? And Symbian? Okay. And what have I forgotten? And the BlackBerry. Sorry, Oscar. Ouch. Okay. Then we have our very quick round, so I'm just going to come around. Does your phone have a touchscreen?
Great one.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Does your phone have a keyboard?
I might add a full 5-row, repeat that, full 5-row QWERTY keyboard, or AZERTY depending on your level.
No keyboard, yes. No keyboard. QWERTY keyboard.
A complete AZERTY keyboard.
Okay, what Katja and I don't like is this stylus or this little pen. Is it necessary for your phone?
No.
No.
What?
It's not necessary, but it has one.
Also, very interesting is the battery life, of course. So tell us more about it.
Battery life is, well, of course it depends on your usage, but for most it's about a day.
Same thing about it.
About a day.
A few days if you use it a lot.
At least 2 days.
And then, of course, the camera. How many megapixels is that, and can you zoom in?
It has a 3 megapixel camera and you can zoom in it as well.
5 megapixel camera with digital zoom.
5 megapixel camera.
Digital zoom, and I don't know how many megapixels. I think it's 2.
Three. I understood.
I think this is 3, it also has a digital zoom.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yes, our first practical question. Take a picture of the room, of the people, and twin-pick it. You can do this now.
Okay,
The fastest wins.
Tell us all about it!
Actually, this is, well, okay, this is kind of lame, but this is not my main phone, so I'm not connected. But it does take good pictures.
But it's very nice that you wanted to defend it for us. So. Can we see the pictures?
Oh.
What's this?
Is there a problem?
Yeah, it's an Explorer.
Oh.
This is not my PC. It doesn't work.
oh my gosh, his phone is crashing. It is.
Who's the fastest one?
We have a technical problem, I think.
And
Oh, so
you have to click on.
Okay, we'll take a look later on.
I actually use the Mobilecamp Brussels account because mine is not public. So
Mobilecamp Brussels
MCBXL.
is it right?
Okay.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
I think I clicked it.
Yeah, we have a winner.
The first one. Who is it?